You are about to enter Gigi's world.
Channel. Hi guys, and welcome back to the Gigi Naturals Homestead channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do something that is so super simple, but that is so super amazing for your plant. You're just not even going to believe how easy and simple making banana water is. So I'm going to show you two different ways that I am doing it, just depending on the needs of the plant. Okay, so stay with me and let's go ahead and jump right into making this oh so funky banana water. I've had one sitting in here since yesterday. Our chickens love bananas, so this is what I'm doing with them for the time being. I'm going to put just a piece or two of banana peel inside of just an empty bottle, empty water bottle. See, the flies are loving it. Just put it inside an empty water bottle, and then we're gonna fill that bottle with water. Fill your bottle with water. And all I'm gonna do is close this up and allow it to sit for about 3 or 4 days. That's all I'm gonna do. I'll fill it on up to the top once I get to some water, but that's pretty much it. Let it sit, and it's gonna get nice and funky for you. That's what you want. You want it to get really, you know, pretty stinky. That's exactly what you want. So I do the same thing with my freshly peeled ones. This is a way that you can avoid immediately throwing away your plastic water bottles. So reuse, recycle. So I'm just gonna pop that right down into the water bottle, and we're gonna fill all of these up. I'm gonna put one more down in there. Fill all of these up with water. All right, I'm just gonna fill all of them all the way to the top with water. Okay, I sort of want to make sure that I have one for each of my citrus trees that I have here. So let me make one more. I think I have 5 here total with me right now. So I'm gonna make one more. No, I actually have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, Oops. Yeah, I have 8, so I'm gonna have to make a few more. I didn't realize that I had that many of them here with me, so I'm gonna have to make a few more. So let's make a few more. Okay, if you've been here for a while, you know how I measure. So I'm gonna measure out a little bit of coffee grounds to go into some of them. Look at the fly, get out of there. Add some coffee grounds to some of them. So the ones with the coffee grounds, I'll be putting those on the bigger plants, the ones that are like really struggling since we had to move them and cut the root system. So they're gonna get some coffee grounds in their banana water. Okay, so we have a total of 8 banana waters. So I'm just gonna sit them off to the side and let them start to break down and get all nice and funky for us. And then I'm going to come back and use them to water my citrus trees. I think what I'm going to do also is I'm going to make another group of these, and I'm going to water the remainder of the fruit trees. So I got to count up how many fruit trees that I have here total, and then I'm going to make another group so that I can water those as well. So that's pretty much it. That's how you make your banana water, and you want to let it just sit there for a while. I think a week is probably a little bit too long, but I'll let it sit there for 3 days, and then I'll check on it, see how it's smelling, see how it's looking, and then go ahead and use it from that point. All right, so thanks guys for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. I hope this was helpful. Let me know in the comment section.